Good morning, everyone. This is a beautiful coach. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. I was just inside and Laurel said, if you are inside and you open the door, look at the pretty lights. And she's right. Look at the pretty lights, you guys. The indirect lighting of the new Marathon cockpit is just awesome. In the H3, how the lights are surround. Anyway, I love it. I'm shutting the door. They're working on photos and videos today. Anyway, welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It's going to be an awesome Monday here at the mothership. We're going to go all over this building. I got all kinds of things to show you. We're going to end up down at cabinetry. I was talking with Devin in cabinetry, and we were looking at a few things. But we're going to go over here. We're going to look at 1417. Let's just go. Let's just go. Look at these bays. Before we get our infrastructure in there, look at how massive these bays are. I got a phone call. Usually I get emails on this stuff, but I got a phone call, and someone was asking me about the actual size of the bays, and so I took dimensions before and after we put our infrastructure in there. What I mean by infrastructure is everything from wiring and our electrical panels, and a lot of the infrastructure of the coach goes inside the bays, from plumbing to you name it, a lot of electrical. But look at the size in here. And when you get in here, you can see everything that makes the Prevost chassis, it's just really awesome. And to be able to see it wide open like this, hopefully the person that called me, and I'll probably be texting or emailing them this video so they could see what I measured for them on Friday. But it's just massive. This shell, what shell is this? I don't even know. This is 1426. This is a coach that's going to be here for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, head down to paint for a month or so, maybe 40 days, go outside for a bit while it cures, come back inside and be on the production floor. This coach will be in production next year. So very, very cool. Let's head back over. I want to see the progress on 1417. Let's go. You know, one of the things that I like to do is I like to get here on a Monday morning and walk the floor all the way from the north side to the south side, which means where we just saw 1411, this guy right behind me here, that we started the show in, all the way down to paint, through service, through cabinetry, which is where we're eventually going to end up today. And see how everyone's doing. Talk to everybody and say, hey, how was your weekend? What are you working on? And because everybody knows Monday, I've usually got a camera following me around, Shane, that we get to, talk to people about their weekend and what they're currently working on in coaches. Let's go inside 1417 and check this out. Bunk walls are going to be here, refrigerator, bathroom. So you can see the walls are already up. The flooring, they're starting to lay down the floor. And one of the things they do is this is like a preliminary lay down where they check to see the style of each. Well, here's one right here, if I may be so bold to pick it up. And they want to make sure that the grains are right and the grains flow together in the correct way. This is above my pay grade, so literally they're looking to see how one goes next to another so that they look correct next to each other. And with laying tile, you can't just think north and south, you have to think east and west. So what's going to be next to each other in a pattern? Shane, go ahead and take a peek back there. We won't go back there because of the flooring project, but as you can see, 1417, walls are starting to go up. I see the closet infrastructure. Very cool. This is a coach. Oh, the shower is up. Shane, take a look at this. The shower is up. I can see some of the membrane already down on the walls. Robert, are you working on the flooring in here too?
I am for a couple days.
Fantastic. Robert from our service department, one of the most talented guys I've seen. We've seen a lot of Robert's work on our show. 40 years ago, we were using technology that was the best on the market, and that's why 40-year-old marathons still stand up. Today, we are challenging ourselves to push forward and build with the best materials, with the best people in this facility, so that 40 years from now, the galley lower of Coach 1419, as you see right here, will still be standing tall on the floor of Coach 1419. Devin's working on this one over here. And this is what really stands out about our team over here, is they take a lot of self-pride in what they build. And I want to remind myself every week that these people are building the best RV ever created right here in Coburg, Oregon. These people are building and crafting. I mean, look at the skill. This is one thing. Every single week, you see something different here, but the finished product is always beautiful, and it stands out to me every week. So I love seeing that. Let's go over here. This is the dinette for Coach 1420. It's an extending dinette. Look at how many pieces go into this. Custom built in this shop and laminated. And then once it's laminated, to ensure that it stays clean and undamaged, the team covers it with this protective film. It's just a lot that goes into just this one piece. And it's really something that, you know, as the guy that does Marathon Mondays, that I'm really proud to be able to show you guys. So it blows me away. Look at how many laminates the team uses. I know I'm a little all over the board this morning, but take a look at this. From 1402 all the way down 1419, 1415, 1408. Here's the oatmeal that we saw for the cabinets in 1417. And it takes a lot of laminate to do grain matching. I mean, look at all of the colors that are available. It's really an awesome industry that we work in, that we're custom building a luxury home in a 45-foot bus. Think of that. I know we watch this show. I know we do this show. I know every day we park our cars in the parking lot and we come to this building and we work. But think about that. We are building a luxury home on a 45-foot bus that lasts decades. Amazing. Let's head this way. There's an older Marathon right there. We go from seeing all these new ones being built to the longevity of the product right there. My man Wes is in the house. So it's amazing to see what happens in service, because every Monday in service, something new is rolling in. And on Friday, something is rolling out. And that's what we do here at Marathon. Thank you so much for tuning in and following me and Shane and Abigail all over this building. Be yourself and do good things. Take care, everybody. Email me if you're looking to get into a marathon, or you're looking to sell a marathon, or you're looking to get into a pre-owned. Like we've talked about, these things last for decades. The heavenly hands of Rob Angelo in the background over there. Be yourself and do good things. Like I said, MALW, M-A-L-W at marathoncoach.com. Log on and represent. Get at me. Let me know what you want to see on this show also. I was here. Now I'm gone.